You're saying that all this time, nakamute ako? Oh my God. I can't believe that yet. All this time, I have been talking for 9 minutes, and you're telling me that I have been muted all this time. Fuck. Let's make another rundown. Kasi sayang naman, di ba? Andito na tayo. Damn, fuck. Ang dami ko ba? Ang dami ko ina-explain nung una, like, bakit ngayon na ulit ako nag-upload, like, what the fuck, man. Anyway, damn. So, ayun nga, I think nakita nyo naman dito, meron tayong bearish divergence na nakita dun sa 1 minute, or sorry, sa 5 minute. Kasi, ah, kasi ini-sweep ng Nasdaq itong 5 minute high na to while yung S&P 500 hindi niya ini-sweep yung high na yon. So, that in turn, nagkaroon tayo ng bearish divergence and also intact pa rin yung hourly downtrend dahil na-respect pa rin ng price itong R1 fair value gap na to. Okay? And then, I am targeting these lows. And then, nung nakita ko tong bearish SMT na to, move, scale down to the 1 minute. And then nakita ko na may 1 minute excuse me. Nakita ko na may 1 minute fair value gap here. Nag-touch yung prices sa 1 minute fair value gap na to. And then basically ang anintay ko na lang noon is a 1 minute break of structure. So nagkaroon tayo ng 1 minute break of structure here. Ngayon dito ako nakapag-entry sa around this area na to kasi 1:2 lang yung naging kalabasan ng trade ko. Kaya ako naka-enter dito sa area na to and hindi dito sa taas na to is because bank holiday nga kahapon, and kapag bank holiday mas mababa yung liquidity sa market, and kapag mas mababa yung liquidity sa market, mas mataas yung spread sa mga brokers. If you don't know what spread is, it's basically the asking price and the current price, yung gap nilang dalawa. Okay? So, yeah. Ayun. So, that's basically it. That is my first trade of the week, and hopefully, I said this before kanina, but apparently I'm muted. Uh, Hopefully, I get to upload daily ulit. Lahat ng mga maging trade recaps ko, hopefully, ma-upload ko na ulit siya starting today. Up until, hanggang-hanggang na. And hopefully, we get to see some improvements there. So, yeah, that is basically it. That is our trade recap na ginawa ko kahapon sa S&P 500 during the New York session. Okay, and recently guys, no, actually, mag-share sana ako sa inyo kaso may class pa kasi ako. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and I still have stuff to do and I still need to prepare for my 10:30 p.m. 10:30 a.m. class. So, maybe next time. Okay? So, that is all. Thank you, and again, I'm sorry for muting myself for the past 8 minutes. But, obviously, tomorrow hindi na ako muted, I swear. Anyway, thank you. See you again tomorrow.